Hello, everybody. This is yeah, you know who I am. I'm back. Yes. I'm still the same bird you see me from 24 years. What? Sorry, I meant last year. Whatever. So, what can you expect in the new season? Well, something like this.
Hey, do you know when was the last time you played a video game?
What?
When you burned to death by a flaming Mordecai missile.
Well, that is mildly concerning.
Today, Chuck Bird is happily spending his weekend break by relaxing in the early spring weather. What can possibly go wrong?
Going to the moon. Whoosh! Bing! We're here!
God damn it, Jeff!
Hello, Mommy, be super duper mega hyper stupid, so sensitive.
What the hell did I just watch?
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is a deadly parasite living here in this freaking home. Are you ready to see it? Okay, here it is.
Bop boop! Going to the moon. Whoosh! Bing! We're here!
Wah! Ah! Wait, what?
Chuck Bird, professional Roblox player, a married man, and a fearless warrior. Now, he's going to be playing Total Roblox Island. Again.
Last time on Yellow Bird Plays.
Look at this guy. He looks like Chris McLean's Robloxian brother.
I'm gonna beat you, Al.
I'm Kyle McLean and this is your first elimination of the night.
Wait a minute, Kyle can actually talk?
Of course I can, loser. Last words.
He was watching me take a pooze.
Where do you think you're going?
I am done playing this stupid game. I want to quit.
Wonder Woman. What the hell? Did she just leave? And now, the elimination.
Last time on Yellow Bird Plays.
Cortland is out of the competition.
Oh wait, you're already gone. Never mind. Can you make it to victory without being sizzled?
Challenge accepted.
Hey, why did you do that? Oh my god, what the hell is this?
We're swapping some contestants from one team to another.
Wait, what about me?
Not you, bro. You're staying.
Now let's send this weird woman to the Exile Island. Alright, I'm finished with Total Roblox Trauma. Now I'll tell you which game I'll be playing next. Or two, actually. Wait, what the hell? What the hell was that? Did you see that? Holy crap. There it is again. Polly, I know it's you trying to mess with me. You stop that right now. Oh my goodness, what is happening to me? Why am I upside down?
Oh boy. Here we go again.
Hey bro.
What?
You motherfucker! You you f***ing asshole!
Oops. Wow, isn't this fun riding on a bus?
I know, right? This sure is gonna be an adventure.
Wait, I thought you guys were driving the bus.
Well, I'm obviously not driving.
Neither am I.
Then if it wasn't you guys driving the bus, who is?
Bonjour à tous, my name is Justin Timberlake and you are now about to travel to the ride of death. Loyal.
Oh my god.
What the hell? She's still laughing. Let's skip it to 5 days. Damn it. It's not working.
What the hell is going on with this crap?
Please kill me.
Action.
Hey, did you guys see what Chuck did the other night? He went home after a long day, then got to the bedroom, and found something in his bed. And, get this, Blue cheated on Chuck.
Cheating? Huh? Well, I've got news for you.
You're broke!
Ouch.